Don't eat bread, do it with just an egg and a banana. We're going to start in a container here, adding 2 bananas. I'm using dwarf bananas. We're going to mash them really well with the fork. When it's like this, I'm going to crack an egg. And I'm going to add 4 tablespoons of 50% chocolate. We're going to mix all of that with a whisk. With our dough at that point, we're going to add a teaspoon of yeast. And on top, guys, I'm going to use chocolate chips, but it's up to you. Now just put it in the oven at 180 degrees and leave it for 30 minutes. After that time, look guys how amazing it looks. It's more like a chocolate banana brownie. Super quick, easy and delicious. And best of all, you can eat to your heart's content. Remember, there's no wheat flour, so it's gluten-free. I hope you enjoyed it. That was another recipe here from the poor man in the kitchen. A big hug. See you next time, and it was worth it.